This is a robbery.
Hands on the car, hands on the car, hands on the car, hands on the car.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I used to be a cop.
You were in law enforcement?
Yeah, 14 years.
There was a tracker in your car.
On May 3, 2025. In Ocala, Florida, a robbery took place at a TD Bank. Surveillance footage shows a woman arriving by herself. She parks her car, gets out, and walks straight into the bank. A review of the video later confirmed that the entire sequence, from entering the bank to driving away, took about 9 minutes. Inside the bank, she handed the teller a handwritten note. The note read as follows.
This is a robbery. I have a gun and will shoot if any alarms or die packs are enclosed. Fill this bag with all at least 50K big bills only. Wait 2 minutes to call police.
The teller placed the cash, around $5,000 along with a tracking device, into the bag and handed it over. The suspect then returned to her vehicle and drove away. What she didn't know was that the cash included a tracking device. Using that signal, Ocala police located the vehicle. According to official reports, officers initiated a traffic stop within 11 minutes.
Keep your hands out where I can see them. Step back here. Step back here. Turn around. Turn. Face away from me. Face away from me. Face away from me. Come back. Come back. Come back over here. Come back over here. Over here.
What is going on?
Just hands on the car. Hands on the car. Hands on the car. Hands on the car. Hands on the car.
Please, what's going on?
I'm with it.
Sir, please, what's going
Hey,
on?
I got it.
Sir, what?
Stop.
Oh
Stop. Stop. Stop.
my
Stop. Stop.
God.
Stop. 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 Stop.
What
Quit.
is going on?
Quit. You got anything on you, ma'am?
No.
Stop. Stop turning around.
I'm scared.
Stop.
What is going on?
Stop. Stop turning around. Walk back this way.
Can somebody please tell me
We'll
what's
tell you.
going
Just a minute.
Relax.
Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Hop in.
Make sure that it is the
Oh,
correct
Jesus
vehicle.
Christ.
Make sure that
Just
this is
sit down.
What's going on?
Sit down for just a second. Give me just a minute, okay? Right now you're detained, okay?
Oh my God.
That was execute. Never mind. Yeah, I'll take it later.
That's one hell.
Roll down this window. Roll down the window. What are you saying?
What is going on?
We're going to tell you in just a second. We're going to tell you in just a second. Okay,
Please.
that's it. We're going to tell you in just a second. Relax. Stop kicking my car and relax.
Kicking.
Okay, but you're making a lot of noise. I heard you from over
No,
there.
because I'm horrified.
Okay, well, we're going to figure out exactly what's going on. I promise you, you're going to be told what's going on. So give us,
Somebody say I did something?
we're going to figure that out. Hang tight.
To keep traffic moving, officers relocated the vehicle to a nearby parking lot. As the search began, the suspect repeatedly asked what was happening and said she was scared. She also told officers not to search her car, insisting they needed a warrant. Inside the vehicle, investigators recovered cash, the tracking device, and items consistent with the robbery.
Sir, please, why is this happening to me? Ma'am. Sir, somebody please talk to me. Sir, please talk to me. I don't want anybody looking in my vehicle without a warrant. Because I don't know what's going on. Are y'all looking in my vehicle without a warrant? Excuse me. I have a funeral to go to. Hey, excuse me. Get out of my car without a warrant. What am I a suspect of? I will let you look in my car if you tell me what's going on. Sir, please. Ma'am, please. Somebody. Please. Oh, my God. Sir, I have a funeral to go to. Sir, I'm begging you, please. Tell me something. Somebody please talk to me. I'm scared. Why are y'all doing this? Talk to me. Ma'am, anybody. Anybody, please.
From that point on, the suspect continued to say she didn't understand why she was being detained. She repeatedly called out to officers, maintaining that she was innocent. At times, she pointed away from herself, suggesting someone else was responsible. The same statements were repeated again and again. This continued for over an hour, without pause.
I hear something. I used to be a cop, so I'm hearing something about a
You
suspect.
were in law enforcement?
Yeah.
For how long?
14 years.
14 years? Okay. All right. I know.
all this for a grass drive off. We're gonna get this
A
cleared up.
grass drive off.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy, but give
What?
me just a
Y'all
minute.
don't, I used to be a cop. Y'all don't do this for a grass drive off.
It's a slow
A
day. in
gas
Ocala.
driver?
Yes, ma'am. But give me
Sir.
just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
Give me just
Please don't wind this up on me. Oh my God. Oh. Sir, can I please stand outside of the car? Oh my God. Can you let my window up because I don't want anybody in my car without a warrant.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me search it, okay?
Till you search it. You know how PC to search my car? I am terrified, and these cuffs hurt. Oh, my arms hurt so bad. Yes, ma'am. What's going on?
So we're responding to a call.
Ouch.
I'm still trying to figure everything out. I am the detective, and there's another detective coming out.
What's in there?
Huh?
What's in there?
What's in where?
My car.
It's your car.
I know it's my car, but at that house, right, I can take y'all right to his house. And some black chick is a friend of mine. He asked me if he could use my car. Now, I don't know whatever happened, if he's spooked or I don't know what's going on, but I got one purse in that car, and my purse is pink. And I will go back to the bank, and nobody is going to say I robbed the bank.
Like I said,
Ma'am, you got to give me a chance to make this right before you arrest me. I can show, I don't know the address, I can show y'all where it is.
So right now, you're just detained, right? You're not under arrest.
So if the lady doesn't identify me, are you going to let me go? Because it was not me. Can she identify me? Because it wasn't me, I swear.
So we're still trying to figure everything out.
How long is it going to take? Just please, can we figure it out before y'all tow my car, please?
It's being towed.
Oh my God, this is not my fault. I will get you to the boy.
Okay.
His dad is honest. If he did, his dad will tell you the type of person he is. How am I going to get my car back?
Huh?
How am I going to get my car back? And I got a funeral. Please don't tow my car. Please.
It's going to go to the police department.
Can I call? For what?
Huh?
For what? That's my only source of transportation.
Well, it's going to go to the police department.
So when y'all figure out everything, I'll be able to get it? Man, I got my good friends passed away and I'm ready for the funeral. Please. It don't make no sense to go back to the police department because I'm not going to talk without a lawyer. Like, if y'all got something to take me to jail, just go ahead and take me to jail. Because this isn't right. You know, I will take you to the guy's house and everything. And that person, what if she, the lady is not going to identify me. Did she, when they sent the picture over there, did she say that was me? Did she say that was me when they sent the picture over? Did the teller or who, I saw him take a picture of me. Did the person say it was me?
I wasn't involved in it.
I'm trying to do somebody a favor and I get caught up like this. I used to
Are your cuffs okay?
No, they hurt, but I'm scared.
Let me see them.
I'm scared. Can they please just come quick? Because I need to get to that funeral. I can show you my bank account. I got money. I don't need to be robbing the bank.
Okay. We'll get all that figured out, okay? That's why we're here. That's why they want to talk to you, okay?
Okay.
All right. So we're going to put the cuffs in the front.
That is crazy. Ah. Yeah, I never thought. I would just say, oh, if I would know something like this is going to happen. Put me on the line of terror. I just want to talk as quick as possible.
Can you say that, ma'am? Just real quick, and then turn around. And
You gonna shackle me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Per policy. Put your knees on the seat.
You know how long before she comes to talk to me? Because I just want to make the funeral. Do you know how long before she's here?
He's right here. He's fixing to start, okay?
From the start, she denied everything and asked officers to hurry the interview, saying she needed to leave for a funeral.
But can I please talk
I'm
to
about to
her?
come talk to
Because
you.
I have a funeral to go to.
I got you.
And I'm going to tell you everything that I know.
Okay. Obviously, you know why we're here.
I mean, not really, but I
Okay.
sort of got an idea.
So there was a bank robbery, and everything from the bank robbery was in your car. So that's why we're here. So I'm going to read you your rights. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used. Do you understand these rights I was saying to you?
I do.
Okay. I overheard you say you were in law enforcement, so I'm sure you've probably read that once or
14
twice.
years. And this is embarrassing.
I got you.
So I'll tell you exactly how my day was.
Let's
I
see.
came because I had to get some more stuff to go with my outfit for funeral or whatever. This guy, Ryan Heron, I've been knowing him since high school. He used to like me back in the day, but he sort of went down the wrong path. It's a white boy.
Okay.
So he asked me to come by, and I stopped by there. And I'll be honest with you, they wanted to go get, they do drugs. They wanted to go get something. I don't do drugs. So I'm like, don't tell, y'all go do whatever y'all want to do. So they come back, and they acting all crazy. And I'm like, I gotta go to the funeral. And when I got in the car, I saw all of this stuff, but my car is always a mess. But the only thing I did, because I had on this dress, which is pretty short, and I know I was gonna go to the store. So these pants, I don't know if these are pants that was in my car or pants from them. So I slipped on the pants, so my butt won't be showing in the store. And I didn't even look to see what was in that stuff they had.
Obviously, you were in law enforcement for as long as you were.
Mhm.
Okay. You seem like you're a genuine person.
Mhm.
All right. But, I mean, one thing we probably agree on is that neither of us, especially in our careers, like liars. Okay.
Right.
So, I think we got off on the wrong foot. And the reason I say that is because I want you to understand there was a tracker in your car.
A tracker in my car?
Yes. Yes. From that money that was being stolen, there's a tracker. You're a law enforcement.
Well, it has to be tracking them.
So, that tracker is going to show exactly from the moment that money hit that bag, it's going to tell me every second where it was when it stopped.
Okay.
There's video cameras, there's everything.
I know.
And in the bank, the female that put the note on the counter,
Mm-hmm.
same nails. And you know what nail is missing on the hand without the glove?
This nail has been missing because I do DIY stuff.
I got you. But that's what I'm saying. Like, it was you in the bank.
No, it was not.
It was you.
It was not.
Okay.
What bank was it?
You know what bank it
No,
was.
I'm asking you, what bank was it? Close to that house, obviously.
Yes, it was. You know what bank it was.
No, I don't. I'm asking you. I heard y'all say campus on the thing. Is that on 17th Street?
It's a bank on the corner of 17th Street and 25th Avenue.
Okay, so that would come directly down and past his house.
Hey, I'm not saying.
And he doesn't always like to pull up in his yard because of how his dad is, but it's a field right across the street, and that's usually where I meet him.
But you told me you were there in that yard talking to him for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes.
I mean, it was brief.
Okay.
It was brief.
And that tracker is going. Those trackers are very detailed.
The tracker is going to show you that.
Okay. Whenever you drop the note off, you use your hand without the glove. You don't think your fingerprints are going to be all over that note?
Then get my fingerprints.
Okay. All right.
I mean, it wasn't me.
Okay. So when you left that bank,
Mm-hmm.
that tracker tells us when you're walking, what speed you're going, when you go. You never stopped. Your car never stopped. From the moment you left that bank, only times it pauses is the stoplight, and then it shows
Well,
again.
it must have been
so
a
listen,
glitch.
it's not a glitch.
It must have been a
Okay.
glitch.
That report is going to be in your file, okay?
I
It shows.
didn't put that in my file, but I mean,
Listen. So let's cut the
are you going to
bullshit.
take me to jail based on that?
100%. You are
Why?
under arrest.
Please,
You're
sir.
going to jail today.
Please, sir.
There is no doubt in my mind that you did this.
Why?
All the facts.
Just a picture?
So this is your opportunity. No, not just a picture. Videos, pictures, evidence,
Let me
tracker.
see me on the video. That doesn't look like me.
Why
Please,
did-
I will take you
Why
to Ryan.
did you do this today?
I will take you to Ryan. I did
I
not do
don't-
this.
I don't care
Please,
about
sir, do
Ryan.
not do this to me. Please. Please. That is not me, sir. Please. I have a funeral to go to.
You're not going to make your funeral
That,
today.
please, sir. That is not me.
Right now
Please.
you are
I am
under
begging
arrest.
you in Jesus' name. Please.
got
Can
you.
I look at it again? That is not
No.
me.
No. Your car never stopped from the moment you left
I
the
don't
bank.
know about that, sir. I don't.
I do. There's a
Okay,
live
I
tracker.
don't know what might have happened.
Okay.
It was not a long time that I sat there with
Why
him.
did you do this today?
Sir, I did not do that. Please,
Okay.
please, you gotta go let me talk to this lady. Please don't do this. Don't leave me, please. Don't leave me, please.
I'm going to get your paperwork going so you
Sir,
can...
please don't leave me. Please,
I got
please
you.
don't leave me. Oh my God. Can you do some more investigating and just let me go home? I'm not a flight risk, please.
There will be plenty of investigation further after this.
That's fine,
but
please. This is so major. Let me
Everything
get
that
the
I
people.
have right now, you're
Oh my
under arrest.
Lord
for-
Jesus, please
Thanks,
don't do
Ronnie,
this.
okay?
Please let the people go. Identify me, please. Please, please. I am begging you so bad. That is not me, sir.
I got you.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Oh what
You
they
are
said.
being arrested for the bank robbery.
How? But it was not me.
It was you.
It was not me. You have a fingernail,
I
sir,
have
please.
way more than that.
Oh, this is a nightmare. I need to wake up from. Please, 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 please. Okay, please, please. Please, please, please. Oh, please, please, please. Please, please, please. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Why did I say home? Why did I say home? Why did I say home? I'm so much going on myself. This is ruining me. Sir, can I please call my mom? Call
I
her.
need you to stop screaming.
I can't help it.
Yes, you can.
I'm devastated.
I'm tired of the screaming.
I can't help it. I can't help it, sir. Please.
You know, just as well as anybody else, you being in law enforcement, you know exactly what we have. Shh. Listen,
No, no.
listen, I'm not done
Did
talking.
she say it was me?
Your fingerprint on the note says it was you. We're done.
Paper is in my car.
You're right. That's
I
no
have
reason.
paper because I'm a
Keep
crafter.
going. Keep going.
I'm
You
a
have-
crafter.
You have paper in your car. Keep going.
So they can't use something that's in my car?
No, the note that you handed to the bank teller with your hand that didn't have the glove on has your fingerprint on it.
Oh, all of my paper is going to have my fingerprint
You're
on
right. Keep going.
it. Because it's my paper.
You're right. Keep going.
It's my paper.
Keep going. We're talking about the same thing. We're talking the same language. Keep going. You want to know what evidence we have? Keep going.
Yes, I want to know what evidence you have.
Your shoes, your clothes, your fingerprints on the note. So we're done. You're going to jail for armed robbery of a bank.
Armed robbery?
Yes, ma'am.
Armed robbery?
Yes, ma'am.
There's no picture of me.
Okay. So that story that you gave.
My face, my picture. Looks
That's
like
right. I
him.
don't care. I really don't care. The point of the matter is you are going to
Is
jail.
it a better picture than
You're
this?
asking what's happening. You are going to jail. That is point blank period. What is happening? That is the end of it. So in just a few minutes, when Detective Pfeiffer is done with his probable cause affidavit, you are going to
So
jail for
I
armed
don't even
robbery.
get the benefit of the doubt of going before my accuser and having them say that it's me.
You will absolutely get that right. Just not today.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stop. I want you to stop.
And what if I don't? Because I can't. You gonna tase me?
No.
I can't.
Okay.
I'm not having that. I just want to talk about my mom and my husband. Ah! No, don't do this to me. That's all the evidence.
Cover yourself up.
Sir.
Cover yourself up.
Sir,
Cover
you
yourself
only
up.
using the evidence
yourself
that
up.
makes me look
Get up.
bad. Why would you?
Janelle, come on.
Why would you?
Get up.
Why would
We're
you?
going into jail.
Why would you use the evidence that can prove I didn't do this?
She later pleaded guilty to bank robbery in federal court. Sentencing is scheduled for January 2026. The charge carries a maximum penalty of up to 20 years in federal prison.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.